Well, I think that they both use Cochineal and natural dyes and indigenous knowledge in the work. I think you see the variations that are possible in that sense. And going back to what Freddie was saying earlier, is that we forget when we hear the word science. So the Getty project, the theme was art and science collide, right? So when we hear the word science these days, you think of computers or beakers or labs, and it's the indigenous knowledge that is actually the science that is being centered. And I think that is what comes through when you see these side by side and the different variations that are possible.
Yeah, I think, it is about both of those pieces, again, have a physicality to them that is really about the relationship of the body of the viewer to the artwork. The way they were installed, they in many ways mimic a human figure. We called that section dialogue because it was an opportunity to put two experimental pieces for each artist, that both featured Cochineal, as an opportunity to have a conversation and exchange between the material, the formal structures, the variation of Cochineal coloring and pigment. I think you get quite a spectrum in both pieces that offer, just an experience of the many colors that Cochineal also produces. And it's I don't know if it was very clear, but it's the carminic acid sensitivity to pH, to whether it has a base or acidic environment, which is what allows for this vast spectrum of color. And I think in many ways this dialogue offers us a more complex experience of the use of color.